What if I told you that an ordinary-looking Regina coin, one you might have in your pocket, purse, or old coin collection, could be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars? Yes, a simple coin featuring Queen Elizabeth II with the inscription DG Regina could be a hidden treasure. But not all Regina coins are created equal. Some versions are so rare that collectors will pay a fortune to get their hands on them. Stay with me as we uncover the most valuable Queen Elizabeth II Regina coins and what makes them so special. Emotional storytelling. The legacy of Queen Elizabeth II on Regina coins. For decades, Regina coins have carried the image of a queen who defined an era. The Latin inscription DG Regina, meaning Dei Gratia Regina, by the grace of God, Queen, is more than just words. It's a reminder of a monarch who reigned with dignity, grace, and unwavering commitment to her people. Since her first appearance on coins in 1953, Queen Elizabeth II's portraits have changed over time, reflecting her journey from a young queen to a respected global leader. Some of these coins have become extremely valuable, not just because of their age, but due to minting errors, rare editions, and historical significance. Building suspense, the most sought-after Regina coins. But which Regina coins are truly worth a fortune? Let's uncover the top rarest and most valuable ones that could be hiding in your collection. 1. The 1954 no-shoulder fold penny, a rare error worth over $1,500. One of the most famous Regina coins is the 1954 Canadian penny with a rare no-shoulder fold, NSF error. Early versions of this coin lacked a clear shoulder fold on the Queen's portrait, making them incredibly rare. Today, these pennies can sell for over $1,500, depending on their condition. 2. The 1973 large bust 25-cent coin, a fortune in your pocket. In 1973, Canada released a 25-cent coin celebrating the 100th anniversary of the Royal Canadian Mounted Police, RCMP. But a printing mistake resulted in two versions, one with a larger bust of Queen Elizabeth II, which is much rarer and more valuable. Some of these coins have sold for over $2,000. 3. The 1969 large date 10-cent coin, a tiny coin with a huge value. The 1969 Regina 10-cent coin might be small, but if it has a large date, it's a treasure. Most 1969 dimes feature a smaller date, but the large date version is extremely rare. If you find one, it could be worth thousands of dollars. 4. The 2000p mint mark 50-cent coin, a hidden gem. The 2000 Regina 50-cent coin with a tiny p mint mark is another collector's dream. Very few of these were minted, and if you find one in perfect condition, it could be worth several $100s. 5. The 1955 Armprix dollar, a unique Canadian treasure. The 1955 Regina silver dollar, known as the Armprix dollar, is another sought-after coin. It features a special die variation with extra water lines in the design, making it one of the most valuable Elizabeth II dollars ever minted. Some have sold for over $5,000. Emotional close, the power of a single coin. But these Regina coins aren't just about their monetary value. They are pieces of history, symbols of a queen who dedicated her life to her people. Holding one of these rare coins isn't just owning metal. It's holding a connection to a monarch who shaped a century. So, before you dismiss that old coin in your drawer, take a closer look. Because what seems like just another penny, dime, or quarter might actually be a hidden treasure waiting to change your life. Call to action. Keeping viewers engaged. Do you have any rare Regina coins in your collection? Let us know in the comments. And if you love discovering hidden treasures in everyday change, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Who knows? Your next coin could be worth a fortune.